Playing devil's advocate. Hello! Have you ever purposely argued with someone just for the sake of an argument? If so, was it intentional? When people argue intentionally, they want to generate a debate to cross-check and verify ideas. When people take an opposing viewpoint just for the sake of raising an argument, it's known as playing the devil's advocate. However, the intentions behind raising such arguments are nearly always good. Say your management has asked you to play devil's advocate for the brainstorming of a new product idea. The product idea is about manufacturing a health drink that gives 5 hours of energy. How will you do this? Let me give you some tips. Learn to ask pinching questions. For example, you could say, the idea of a health drink is good, but what about those who are diabetic? Or, have you checked the side effects of this drink? Think about comparable scenarios that might refute the original claim. For example, you can say things like, when people eat natural food, they get similar energy levels. How are you going to address this? Consider proposals from other people's perspective. You can say things like, do you think that organic food lovers will like the idea of an energy drink? Pose hypothetical situations to clarify issues by saying things like, supposing I drink 2 glasses of this drink, will I get 12 hours of energy? Pose alternative explanations or solutions to the problem. How about, well, why can't we have different types of drinks based on people's varying needs? Try to reduce the argument to absurdity by using language like, since the health drink is non-organic, don't you think people might use it for cleaning their wash basins? Try to find out flaws in the proposals or ideas. For instance, you could say, you'll never get approval from the Food and Drug Authority for some of the ingredients used. Try to highlight exceptional cases in the discussions. For example, will this energy drink benefit people who are anemic or physically weak? Point out hidden assumptions. For example, you might say, you think that you'll get entry into the beverages market with this product, but what about the existing players in this market? Try to show the downside of the idea or the proposal by offering, don't you think you have overestimated the sales for this product? I mean, the demand is not as per our expectations. Friends, these tips will help you to take the role of playing devil's advocate to the next level and raise excellent debates in all aspects. Thank you.